Arts in Morocco. With its rich and exciting culture and beautiful landscape, it's not surprising that Morocco is a country that inspires artists. Everywhere you go in the country, you will find beautiful works of art created by local artists. One of the first things you will see are the Zelig tiles that decorate buildings throughout the country. Zelig is a form of art that began in Morocco in the 10th century. Artists carefully cut tiles into small pieces and then put the pieces together to make amazing designs. At first, artists used only brown and white tiles, but they soon added other colors. Each color has its own special meaning. For example, blue is for earth and red is for fire. Across the country, you will also find artists creating colorful pottery. Artists in different parts of Morocco use different styles and colors. In Esfi, you will find beautiful blue, green, and yellow plates, bowls, and vases. In Fez, the pottery is blue and white. While a lot of pottery you come across might seem similar, you will soon notice that each piece is unique. Making carpets is another form of art that has been around for centuries. In the mountains, artists often make thick and white wool carpets. In the cities, artists often make more colorful and expensive carpets. It can take many months just to make one carpet. Amazigh artists use designs that their families have used for centuries. People don't use these carpets only on the floor, but they also use them to keep warm on cold nights.